it's getting exciting every day. Today is one of those days where I'm introducing new type of investment or passive income that is coming to the market. And previously, we've talked about TSLY, which is a Tesla option income strategy, and also we did talk about OARK, which is YieldMax Innovation income strategy. Those are the two from either Tesla, and this is from ARK Innovation ETF. So today I'm introducing brand new, which also it's very exciting, and this will be Apple. And we know Apple is one of those biggest stock on the market today. With a huge, or it's the biggest, of course. It has the biggest market cap. And it's very popular stock. We all know that, and it does pay dividends, but the dividend they pay is very little. So using this strategy, you'll be able to invest in Apple, but also generate that huge, massive monthly passive income. So if it's your first time, please subscribe on this channel. Because on this channel I talk about this type of covered call ETF, passive income, and also growth and some individual stock as well. Because being able to be informed on what's on market is very important for you as an investor. It's something that we all need, and and then you need a reliable source. You need a place where someone talk with the knowledge and the numbers and everything like that, which I like to do. I don't like to talk with emotional. It's more of a numbers. This is, I'm presenting to you this and this, which one should you invest in? This is the numbers. So let's go to see which this new type of ETF that's coming in the market today, to the market, which is so there's OARK, Tesla, those two we've covered, and now the coming in the market is Apple and NVDA. YieldMax Apple option income strategy and YieldMax NVDA option income strategy. So we, as I've talked in the previous videos, YieldMax ETF seek to generate monthly income by selling and writing call options on single company, which we call single stock ETF. Single ETF exposure. YieldMax ETF pursue a strategy that aims to harvest a compelling yield from assets that are not typically associated with monthly income. So we know NVIDIA, we know Tesla, we know ARK. They don't pay dividend. The Apple does pay a quarterly dividend, but it's very little. It's like less than 2%. So to enhance that, that's where this type of ETF comes in hand, and which will make sure that you invest in Apple, but also you generate that huge monthly passive income. So we're going to look into Apple and NVIDIA, and we'll see if these two will be suitable for you to invest your money. So let's go to prospectus and see what does it offer. So first of all, there's more actually of these funds are coming. Right now they are on there's an application from this company. All these will be coming, but they're on application, of course, at the U.S. Security and Exchange Commission, or SEC. So, but as they come to the market, I'm going to make sure that I let you know. So just make sure you subscribe and hit that bell button. You can get notification. So investment objective of this particular Apple, and NVIDIA will be the same kind of. The fund primary objective is to see current income. The fund secondary objective is to seek exposure to the share price of a common stock of Apple Inc., subject to limit on potential investment gains. Fee and expenses. The fund that will, how much fee will you pay to invest in this fund? Of course, it's going to be 0.99%. So pretty much all of their funds, including NVIDIA, will be 0.99%. It's about close to 1%. When it comes to why invest in this fund, why would you want to invest in this? The reason why you'd want to invest in the fund seeks to participate in a portion of gains experienced by Apple. That's the first reason why you want the potential gain. And the fund seeks to generate monthly income which is not dependent on the price appreciation of Apple. So they literally generate income based off the calls that they write and the money that they invest in bond. We will see here in a short how they make money, right? And they use the strategy that you're gonna use, same as we've seen on Tesla and also ARK. They're gonna use the same strategy, which is going to be a synthetic covered call ETF. In seeking to achieve its investment objective, the fund will implement synthetic covered call strategy using the standardized exchange traded and flex option described above. So the way synthetic works is more of not holding the security or the underlying stock directly, but they just synthetically using counterpart, to invest the money and generate the exposure to replicate the return of that underlying security without actually holding the security. That's why it's called synthetic. If you want to read more about synthetic, you can go to prospectus and you can read more about this. Covered call writing, part of its strategy, the fund will write call option contract on Apple generating income. Since the fund does not directly own Apple, these written call options will be sold short. So selling position it doesn't currently own. The call option written are sold by the fund will generally have expiration of 1 month or less, right? Call period. And a strike price that is appropriate 5 to 15% above the then current price of share of Apple at the time of writing, or the time when they buy the sell. So the fund monthly distribution. The fund will hold short-term U.S. Treasury security as a collateral, right? In connection with the fund synthetic covered call strategy, as I've discussed that before, they're going to have U.S. Treasury because they don't own. They have counterpart that they're going to replicate the income or the return of that security, underlying security, which in this case is Apple, NVDA, Tesla, and ARK ETF. The fund monthly distribution at this moment right now, we don't know how much they're going to pay exactly per se, and that's why it's important for you to subscribe whenever they release the data on how much they're going to pay. I will let you know right away. And so the fund will seek to provide monthly income in the form of distribution. The fund will seek to generate such an income in the following ways. There's two ways they're going to generate income: writing and selling call option contract on Apple. That's the first way they're going to do. And the second way, they're going to investing in a short-term U.S. Treasury security. So they're going to hold security or Treasury bonds in short term. So they're going to get income. Of course, short-term bonds do pay monthly income. So they're going to use the income they generate from the bonds and the income generated from the covered call writing. The combination of those two, they're going to generate that income that they're going to pay to you as an investor. So there you have it. I just want to bring to you this this Apple and NVIDIA, so you know what's going on here, what's going on in the market today. So I'm going to talk more about this as it comes live in the market. Whenever it's should be coming soon, very soon, should be out there, being traded. You'll be able to buy and sell in your regular brokerage, whatever you're using, your bank or brokerage. You'll be able to buy and sell these things. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and if it's the first time, again, please subscribe, and if you like the content, please like. Bye bye.